Senor, stop snacking. You're over here telling people not to snack, but you're over here snacking it up.
Yo, that shit good, that's why.
Doodaloo, cook it with Uncle Rell.
Today we're making a super easy snack food and hummus, and we're going to use the water from the chickpeas to make a vegan mayonnaise. And we're going to make some Yuca fries to dip in that vegan mayonnaise.
That sounds so good, Zaddy.
6 cloves of garlic, about a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're going to take our garlic before we put it in the pan and actually just smash it flat. Open it up so this oil fries the inside, gets all of that juice to infuse our oil. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. While we have our garlic roasting up, we'll actually get started on our hummus. All of these chickpeas, separated the liquid, peeled them. What you do is you have to dig in there and you squeeze the skin off. What you're left with is the guts.
That's a lot of chicken.
That be fucked up. Damn chickpea.
Does it look like a snake?
I thought it was shrimp.
Nice.
We're
going to take our chickpeas, put it into our food processor. We've toasted our garlic. I'm going to take 4 of those pieces. A teaspoon of salt. Zest of 1 lemon. The objective of this is to break down our chickpeas until they're almost like a dust. We'll go around the sides, and this is about halfway through. So you see it starting to come together as this meal. That's exactly what we want. After, I would say, a minute and a half, you'll see your chickpeas start to form this ball. And that's when you know it's time to start to add the other ingredients to it. This part takes a little bit of artistry because the only piece we're going to measure is the tahini. Add a little bit of hot water. It all come together, it's nice and smooth. We're gonna start to add our chickpea water. Push everything back to the center.
My.
This is the consistency that you're looking for.
Can I have some like butter?
Something super smooth, because once we add this to the fridge, it'll firm up. Nice and smooth. Not many lumps in there. Yuca fries.
Yes.
If you don't want to peel this waxy, potato-y vegetable, I've got a solution for you. Ta-da!
Do you know what this is?
Just get some frozen ones and boil those. Once you boil it to a certain extent, you open it up and these veins actually pop right out of the middle part.
It's like caña. Sugar cane.
Just like that.
Except it doesn't taste like it.
You know it is. We're gonna use stone ground white cornmeal. Let's say about 2 tablespoons. Let's see if it's hot, and we'll just drop that bad boy right in. My goal is to teach you alternatives. I mean, like it's something other than chips.
Yes, Lord.
Preach. I like to add some kosher salt. This is a spice blend.
It's hot.
Damn, that's good. It ain't hot.
No. Oh, wow.
Right?
So good.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna make a vegan mayonnaise made out of chickpea water, aka aquafaba.
Aqua, well, you made
that
that
means?
shit up.
No, does it have to do with Aquaman?
No.
Aquafaba se puede intercambiar por juegos en la mayoría de las recetas y significa
Bean water.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. We've chilled our chickpea water. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, Dijon mustard, miso. This is an optional ingredient.
Garlic.
Garlic. We're just gonna add that to it as well. A little bit of salt.
What's a little bit?
Half a teaspoon. Medium speed.
Oh, you smell it. It smells so good.
We've got a little bit of froth in
Oh,
there.
it smells good.
What does it smell like?
The oil we're going to use is grapeseed oil, nice and slow. And before your eyes, you'll start to see this thing become nice and thick.
Go ahead, baby.
Jiggling, baby. Look how soft and fluffy that is. Cumin seed. If you already have ground cumin, you are more than welcome to use that. Sumac. On the other side. Boom. Around with that olive oil. A little bit of parsley. Boom. Look at that. That shit look like it's out of magazine.
My God. Yes, Lord. Everything tastes so good. Put your foot in this one. Put your back into it.
That's a wrap.
Okay. Hey.
Doodaloo-doo-doo, doodaloo-doo-doo-doo. Cook it with Uncle Rell.